Alright, we're going to do this cool song by Muzz. It's called Summer Love. Summer love, summer love ends. Summer love. When you won't remember. Alright, that's a cool song by Muzz, and it's very kind of dreamy and right, it's probably not a song for beginners. It requires a lot of bar chords. I suppose it could be arranged, you know, for an easy arrangement, but it would be very difficult. Probably wouldn't sound the same. Song begins, they start going like it's almost like a spoken word. From the race, from the get-go, I wanna skate, I want the EXO. 1, 2, 3, 4. It goes into the song. So, anyways, enough with the demonstration. It starts out in E. Summer love. Then it goes to B minor, G, C sharp minor, A, and it winds up on E, and that's how it starts over. All right, and yeah, I think it basically gives every chord besides the E gets one, you know, measure of 4 beats, but the E gets like, I think at least 2, maybe 2.5. Yeah, I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 3, 4, 4, 2, 2, 3, 4, 3, 2, 3, 4. So at least 2 measures. This is one definitely worth learning your bar chords for. All right, so thanks for watching, and have a great day.